Mighty Chic presents guaranteed authentic Louis Vuitton and Nike, Air Force 1, sneakers. Collaboration between Nike and Louis Vuitton with artistic director Virgil Abloh. This was the first time that a Nike sneaker was produced outside of a Nike factory. Featured in red and white leather. Louis Vuitton Paris in gold at rear of shoe and Louis Vuitton for Nike in gold on side of shoe. LV monogram throughout with the Nike emblem on the side. Come with Air white Poo hang tag, Air monogram hang tag, 2 pairs of white laces, 1 pair of red laces, sleepers, and monogram box. Mighty Chic has excelled in customer service for 21 years and provides a discreet online shopping experience for a vast array of luxury European designer selections.